दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में सबसे पहले एक विचार पे बात कर लेते हैं। दोस्तों, खुशियों के लिए क्यों किसी का इंतजार, आप ही तो हैं अपने जीवन के शिल्पकार। चलो आज मुश्किलों को हराते हैं और दिन भर मुस्कुराते हैं। इसी भावना के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का वीडियो। तो चलिए, डाटा। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाटा? Facts or figures collected with a definite purpose are called data. Okay? Now friends, how to draw pie chart or circle chart? Let us try to understand it with an question, an example. That is a graph of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the three seasons: rainy, winter and summer. Now first question is, which season get the most vote? Find the central angle, second question. And third question, draw a pie chart. And the data is given just this into table. That is, seasons are summer, rainy, winter. And the number of votes 90, 120, 150. Now we will represent this data into the pie chart. So how can you represent this data into the pie chart? So dear, let us try to understand. First of all, we will find here central angle, and before it we will reply the answer of first question, which season get the most vote. So you can observe which number is the largest number is 150. It means winter season vote get most, so the season winter get the most vote. This is the answer of first question. Now the central angle, how can you find the central angle? So try to understand. First of all, you will find here the sum of these numbers. What is the sum of the given votes? That is 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0. And 5 plus 2, 7, 7 and 9. This is how much? 6. Okay, 16. After that 1 carry, 1 and 1 2 and 1 carry, this is 3. So the sum of the number of votes equal to 360. Now you will find the sector angle. So you will write this is just this value, that is 90, and divide by the total value 360. And after that the angle, whole angle in the circle. So what is the whole angle? This is 360 degree. Okay, so you multiply here by 360 degree. Clear? Now you can cancel 360 cancel, so remaining things only 90 and degree. This degree. So this is the sectorial angle for the summer season. Now similarly you will find 120 and divide by total values, that is 360, and multiply it by the total angle in the circle 360 degree. You will multiply in all the question by 360 degree, and this is the total value which is gives in the question, and this is the corresponding value. Now you will get again 360 cancel, so this is 120 degree. Now for the winter season, this is 150 divided by 360, which is, what is the 360? This is the total value, and into 360 degree, this is the total angle in the circle. So now 360 cancel, you will get 150 degree. So this is the central angle for each sector. Okay, now for the third part, draw a pie chart. So for pie chart, first of all, we will draw here a circle, and after that mark the center, and first of all you will draw a line anywhere in the circle. Let us we will draw here. This is center of the circle. So we can draw this line anywhere of the circle. Now first angle is 90 degree. So you will take the protractor and using protractor measure the angle 90 degree. When you measure angle 90 degree, then you will get just a straight line. So this is the first angle 90 degree. After that 120 degree. Now you put the protractor in this line, then you will get the 120 degree in this place. So you will join this 120 degree and remaining is automatically 150. So this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 120 degree and this angle automatically will remain, that is 180 degree. So now you can write here the seasons. So 90 degree which give the season summer, you will write here summer. And the next is 120 degree for rainy, so you will write here rainy season. And after that this is winter, so you will write here winter in this sector. So these are the pie chart for the given question. Okay, so this part is known as sector. According to the question, find the central angle for each sector. So this is the first sector, this is the second sector, this is the third sector, and you can color each season by different color. That is, this is yellow, this is green, this is blue color, or any color you can draw it. So this is the method to draw the pie chart. So first of all, what to do in this case, you will write the given information according to the question. After that you will find the central angle, that is the angle of each sector. How can you find? That is the corresponding value divided by total value. You will find the sum and multiplied in 360 in each question. Not only this, in each question you will multiply by 360 degree and then simplify it. You will get the sector angle for the first sector, and for the second you will write the corresponding value, after that total sum and into multiplied by 360 degree, you will get the next angle, and similarly you will get the third angle corresponding value divided by total value into multiplied by 360. How? Why you are multiplying it by 360? Because this is a circle and a complete angle in the circle are 360 degrees. So we multiplied here 360 degree. So we will get the sectorial angle for each sector. Now we will measure these angle and represent these angle in the circle. Then we will get the pie chart, that is the circle chart for the given question. So dear, तो दोस्तों हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।